If your Steam client is acting up, missing features, or you just want to make sure you're on the latest version, this quick tutorial will show you how to update the Steam client the right way. Steam usually updates automatically in the background, but you can also manually force it to check for the newest build, which is especially useful if you want to make sure everything is current before launching a game or troubleshooting a problem. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Steam on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Once you're in the Steam window, look to the top left corner and click the Steam menu. This opens the main drop-down menu where Steam keeps its system and application options. From that menu, look for the option that says Check for Steam Client Updates. Click it, and Steam will immediately start checking online to see whether a newer version is available. If Steam finds an update, it will begin downloading the latest client files automatically. Depending on your connection, this may only take a moment, so give it a little time to complete. Once the update finishes downloading, Steam will usually prompt you to restart the client. When you see that message, click Restart Steam to apply the changes. Steam will close, install the update, and reopen with the newest version active. After it restarts, you can confirm everything is up to date and continue using Steam normally. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can manually check for and apply the latest Steam client update without needing to reinstall anything or dig through complicated settings. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.